Hi, good morning all. Let everyone join. I think I'll just be taking some time. Let everyone join. Seeing more and more people coming up. Okay. Admitting all, admitting all. Okay, so last week was a quite miracle and an entire opposite movement, right? What we were seeing and what our market did. Somewhere you can call it as a momentum trade in the opposite direction. When you fail in your setup, the entire movement will be in the opposite and with good speed. Okay, so that is one of the sign of also momentum trading. Okay, so let me just go to my pages first. So entire market, I think, just boomed when nothing there. It moved as if something else only was triggering it. Okay, is everyone able to hear the voice clearly? Yes. Okay, sound okay. Okay, I think there is problem with Halim Ansari, so let me tell him. Okay, Halim, select device audio from left corner. Okay, so this is what you'll have to. Okay, so I think done. Okay, so now it is clear, Halim, for you as well. Okay, seems to be okay for him as well. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, so more people joining, let them join. Okay, so an eventful week ended with entire opposite of what we were seeing on the charts. Okay, so we have now crossed this. Okay, so now see that as per my view, we will hit a new high. Okay, so I think we will hit a new high soon on Nifty at least. Bank Nifty, I'm not sure. Okay, so a 3 bar bearish divergence which was confirmed has failed. So it is really something that we would have not seen in the market has happened. And I don't know whether it was US election which mattered to us or not. Okay, because I don't think that US election has gone that far that we might have some good results in our market as well because of that. Because if you look at it, there was not a clear decision till yesterday where we came to know, okay, now Biden has won the elections, and yet it will be a 2 months period where the formal things will come out. Okay, so still I'm not convinced that this movement is purely because of whatever happened in US. Okay, and अरे यार बिडेन इंडिया में थोड़ी इलेक्ट हुआ है, इंडिया में तो मोदी है और वो काफी है, right? फिर भी there is a good movement out here. Okay, this has got bearish at of HDFC Bank शॉर्ट को ट्रिगर करके पूरा उल्टा लेके गया और ऑल टाइम हाई पे जाके बैठ गया. Okay, so much things that has happened, okay, has happened in this week. Okay, so let's see. So I think even this had triggered, I think, and let's see how it goes. I don't know, 4050 Ayanita, 5045 Ayanita. So Dr. Reddy, again, we still have that bullish call there. Okay, and Asian Paint is still at all-time high. Diamond stock, okay, so this still remains as is, right? So now let's start with this thing and let's see now what we see after this entire magnificent week that we had, and where does Nifty stand. Okay, so if you look at Nifty now, okay, it had this last gap which it had to clear, and it has cleared that with a gap up. See, a clear gap up, and it is closed about this now. So now this is where we are. Okay, and there is now no gap out here, okay, and this is the all-time high. So not much far, and I don't know why, but somewhere, we had that view, maybe June, July, that we might see new high in Diwali, and I think now it is Diwali next week, and we might see a new high in sometime. So this is one of this thing that we are looking at it. Okay, so Nifty looks good above 60, band walk on daily. Okay, if you look at weekly also, see that this bearish divergence and this 3 bar bearish divergence has now gone out. Okay, but there is still a bearish divergence here, 63 and 63.73. No, this is 63.06, and now no more bearishness also. See, it has nullified this bearish divergence as well. Okay, and now if you consider this and this, it is, but it is too far. Okay, because there is already one failed in between, so you can't consider this and this bar at all. Okay, so now all the bearishness even on weekly chart is gone, and see, this is where we were to be resisted. Okay, so even this has been crossed. So now we need to see whether this weekly gap acts as any resistance or not. So what is the level over here? The closing is 271. Okay, and we are at 261. So 10 points. Let's see what it does. Okay, so whether we really get, see, this can be also considered as a double top. Okay, but we need to now wait for confirmation in this week what it does. So yes, it is looking good as weekly right now. I don't see any bearishness here apart of this one gap which is here. Okay, so ये gap है जो देखना पड़ेगा, and if the weekly close goes above just this, closes above the gap, I think new high is for sure. So maybe we might hit a new high in this week, and even this is at 60 resistance, but the month is yet to be over. We are on 8th of November, and this is the November candle, and now the month is yet to be over. So there can be a chance that we might hit a high here and then do something. So I think 440 or something is the high, 419, 419, 420 is the highest. So 12,420 is the level of all-time high for Nifty, right? Yeah, you can do that. Above that, you can buy for at least 420 as a target. So 413, 420 तो मार ही देगा फिर. वो 7 पॉइंट के लिए न्यू हाई के लिए रुकेगा नहीं, वो मार के आएगा. Okay, so as per Fibonacci also we were seeing it above 61, so at least once it will come near to this. See, it is almost made to the high of the all-time high almost. Okay, so now you need to understand it is already now again back to the all-time high car resistance as well. Now, one theory that you all should remember is when people got trapped because of the fall. Okay, when people got trapped because of the fall, if many people are holding the position at this level, right, those all will come to sell now because they are holding it since a long time. They saw huge loss when it came to 7,500, and this holding positions, these people are now looking forward to get out with at least भाव to भाव. ओके, कि मैंने जिस भाव पे पहले खरीदा था वो भाव पे मैं अभी हाथ धो सकता हूँ. Okay, so may come down from, yeah, so there is a chance that it might come down if it touches all-time high, because all-time high after few many months will act as a very good resistance. Okay, but if people had already lost their money in the fall and they have come out of the trade already, then they might hold their position in the new side. Okay, and mainly see, this is where the reason was, this was with the highest volume. See, this is with the highest volume, and then see concurrently you see volumes been built up. Okay, so now this can be the volume for new entries out here, and if this volumes have decreased, that means currently no one has washed their hands off, whoever entered here. So they are still holding positions, and if they continue to hold, 13,160 or 13,200 can be the next level that we might see Nifty going to. Okay, so this is where we might expect now Nifty to travel to as well. But currently, yes, let's keep all time high as the resistance. Okay, current support levels would be now 12080, which is acted as a very good resistance. That will now become a support for us. Okay, so that becomes a support for us. 11800 is the another support that we have. Okay, so let's start writing now. Nifty daily above 60 and band walk. Okay, weekly also above 60 and monthly at 60. Okay, near to all time high. Okay, so it's near to all time high. And now let's start the resistance. Yes, pakka all time high becomes your resistance. So yes, first level is 12 to 80. Okay, so that is the gap which we saw on weekly, that needs to be closed. And then 420. Okay, and then there is no resistance because it's all time high, sky is the limit. Okay, you can see 13200. I'm not writing that right now. And let's see support. Support is now 12080, 11880, and from where we bounced sharply. Okay, so now this is what you should be looking at as support for Nifty now. Okay, so this is what we will be looking at. So Nifty looks good so far. Okay, only one hitch that we have is the gap. Okay, so weekly above 60 but at gap resistance. Okay, so this is what we have. So this is the only thing that we have a near to all-time high. So even all-time high and gap can act as some resistance. If we go through that tomorrow, then it's done. Now diamond nahi hai, sir, diamond nahi, because still not all-time high, right? It is not at all-time high, and monthly is still below 60. Saraf sir, monthly is at 60, resistance 59 point something. Look at monthly. See, monthly RSI is 59.47. Above 60 नहीं है ये. So wait. इसको डायमंड करने जाएंगे तो हो चुका. इंडेक्स डायमंड हो गया ना तो अपना सबका दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो जाएगा. रिलायंस भागना चाहिए. बट नाउ आई विल शो, व्हेन वी विल गो टू रिलायंस, आई विल शो यू one googly is there in Reliance. Okay, so let's first complete all the indices, and then when we'll go to the stock, you will see one googly there. So again, a sharp bounce from 40 support. So yes, Bank Nifty is doing good at 40 support. Okay, so this is where it has bounced back sharply, and there was a bit of NRD setup, but which failed. And so setup nahi aaya. Axis Bank mein tha, so we'll see what Axis Bank did. So right now it is at 20 EMA and see at resistance. Okay, see this is the monthly resistance right now. Okay, so this is one level of resistance. When we'll go to weekly, I'll also show you gap resistance that we are at. Okay, now see this, we are at gap resistance as well. So there is immediately at 27,100. So that's why my first target was 27,100. जब ये 25,200 के ऊपर में close आया, so 27,100 is because this is a straight away. There is nothing now to stop it. Okay, now weekly also above 60, which looks good, and band walk started on weekly. So now this, if closed 27,800, 27,700, 27,800 now is the next week target. If this is closed, then even Bank Nifty is walking towards 30,000 soon, because then 3,600 is the resistance here directly. See this gap. Okay, so then this is going to be the resistance for Bank Nifty. Okay, and suddenly the Superman of Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank, has made a new high. Okay, so we'll have to now see what it does at the all-time high again. Okay, so that is one thing that we'll have to see. So now this is at gap resistance at 27,100 to 27,800. Okay, so this is one, and the support now lies at this level 25,200. Okay, so this is where the support will lie. 25,500 is somewhere you can see the support, right? So there is no resistance and no support in this. This is a free land. Okay, so ये यहाँ से 1700 पॉइंट 1200 1500 पॉइंट गिरेगा भी ना तो भी उसको कुछ बचाने के लिए भी नहीं है, और अगर ऊपर भी गया तो ऊपर तुरंत में ये रेजिस्टेंस है. So now we need to see how we work at this resistance, and see this gap took time to cross. Okay, ये देखो फर्स्ट टाइम इधर आया था अराउंड अगस्त में, अभी जाके वो क्लियर हुआ है नवंबर में. So it spent some time to close this gap. Okay, so gaps are not that easy to be filled. Okay, so we'll have to wait how it fills up this gap now. Okay, अगर ये gap fill किया तो then starts moving in the up direction very fast. Okay, and this is not only one gap, it is also a very good price resistance. Okay, what I'm going to show you is, again, just look at this. Okay, अगर आप एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बना दोगे तो ये देख लीजिए आप, दिस इज वन, दिस इज टू, ये फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट है. ओके, इसको इग्नोर करो. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज बुल ट्रैप. Okay, that it is a breakout, it was not a breakout, so it's same. Okay, and then see this is support. Okay, and now broken, and now this is again a resistance. So this is not only just a gap resistance, it is also a very good line resistance as well. Okay, so ये थोड़ा इसको टाइम लगेगा यहाँ पे सेटल होने के लिए. So let's see how it works on this. See, if market is in a very different mood, it might just close this gap. If it closes this gap in one go, that means we will also see new high very soon even on Bank Nifty. Yeah, that, because then it is a momentum trading which is happening in one direction now. Okay, volumes are good so far. Yes, that is what I am seeing, Sandeep. So that is correct. Volumes are good. Okay, and see those volumes have built, and see these volumes were the only thing which had given me that strength to tell even in April that we have made the bottom. And currently also see these volumes are the thing which is saying that we are still looking good. Okay, but see the volumes are good even in black candles. Okay, so it's not that easy because Bank Nifty is the economy of the country. Okay, and we have gotten hit on economy because of pandemic. Okay, so इसके लिए इतना जल्दी इसको क्लोज करेगा या क्रॉस करेगा ना, वो थोड़ा देखने लायक है. Okay, so we'll have to think on that part. So let's see what it does here, and see where we are talking about one gap on weekly, we have got multiple gap on daily to be closed. See this, we are right now at gap. Okay, see this is another gap, this is another gap. Okay, so daily पे तो बहुत सारे gaps है. So we need to now see how it does. So daily, weekly band walk, and monthly also we are coming towards 20 MA and price resistance. So let's see what it does now. Okay, so Bank Nifty daily and weekly above 60 and band walk. Bank walk क्या होता है? Band walk होता है. And monthly at MA20 resistance and price resistance. Okay, now let's write down the support and resistance for this. Resistance is very clear to us, 27,100. Okay, 27,800. Okay, and then you can see directly, I think 28,500 के आसपास कुछ है. हाँ, 28,500. Okay, and support is directly at 25,500. Okay, so this is the one level of support. Then okay, 24,800. So काफी दूर है यार सपोर्ट अभी इसको. So you need to be very careful in your long positions. That gap needs to be filled. Yeah, there are any rules here. Gap. So Chirag, I don't know whether you are aware of it or not, but gap up and gap down, they have their own significant. And for that, if you are already registered on my YouTube channel, Sway Charts, you can go through the candlestick videos on that. So in that, I've explained very well what are gaps and how it is. Those are free videos. You can anytime go and see. Just go and check gaps on candlesticks. Okay. So more relations can be explained further. Volumes are so let's see that how it goes. Okay. Now let's look into Nifty IT. Okay. So gaps they really play important role. Don't ignore them. So you can just go and understand how gaps work in markets. And these are weekly gaps. The छोटा मोटो gap नहीं है वो. Let's go to Nifty ID. Oh, Nifty ID has started the walk again. So we were looking to buy on it. It is what? So yes, it was at support and now see again at resistance. So this is the resistance line out here. Okay. So Nifty IT does not look promising to us. कि नीचे नहीं आएगा ना सर. अब मालूम नहीं है मैम. मार्केट है कुछ भी कर सकता है. राइट. सो उसके नीचे भी आ ही सकता है. अगर गिरना चालू करेगा तो हम थोड़ी रोक पाएंगे. अभी भाग रहा था तो हम थोड़ी रोक पाए उसको. मार्केट है. बट लेट्स सी. आई doubt it will come down, but let's see. There is some bearishness that we are seeing, so we might see some this thing. Okay, see, this is a very good thing. IT has got a tweezer bottom. Okay, and it has also got support at, see, ये मैंने बोला भी था कि gap support पे है और वहाँ पे से ये ऊपर आ रहा है. And monthly also band walk is continued. See, so it's a diamond sector, by the way. So not an all-time high right now, but see all the time frames. Only daily is okay. Daily is also now at 60 point something here. Okay, so it's a golden sector for sure. But now we need to see if it bounces above this. So इसके ऊपर में close will take it again to this level and maybe a new high again for the IT sector. Okay, so IT sector looks good. So we can easily see for stocks in this to buy. Okay, so all time frames above 60. Okay, weekly tweezer bottom at gap support. Okay, and monthly continues band. एक क्या लकेज है भाई. एक है सॉरी कुछ माउस नहीं रहता ना मेरा वो ऑफिस में, तो इधर थोड़ा ये टाइपिंग में कहीं भी भाग जाता. कंटिन्यूस बैंड. Okay, so this is what we see. So we can see something on this to buy the golden sector because all time frames are above 60. Okay, and I'm just connecting another mouse that I have. थोड़ा वायर्ड माउस है इसके लिए थोड़ा मेरे को पसंद नहीं है, बट आई विल हैव टू. नहीं तो ये जंपिंग करता रहेगा. जंपिंग करता है पूरा. Okay, so I've got now my mouse also connected. Okay. माउस भेज दूं क्या सर? अरे नहीं गणेश, माउस है मेरे पास, घर पे भी है और ऑफिस में भी है. घर पे एक्चुअली मेरे को पसंद नहीं आता क्योंकि ये मेरे बेटे का गेमिंग माउस है, तो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता और कुछ भी दब जाता है, इसके लिए मेरे को पसंद नहीं आता. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी. The second sector that we would like to see is, see, we are also looking infra for many times, but I'm not registering it. So infra is also now at 60 resistance here. Okay, so we need to see what it will do. Second is weekly is also now, see, after so many weeks it has crossed about 20 mm, by the way. तो थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथ ये भी दिखा रहा है, बट ये थोड़ा रेजिस्टेंस पे है. But if it bounces, it can come to 3280, which is this high which it has made here, and then we might see this reaching out here also. So infra also looks okay, and this is, see, this is taking bounce from 20 MA, so still working good. Okay, so infra is also looking good, and I think few stocks on cements and steel sector you can see are doing good. Tata Steel is doing good, right? So we have few things on infra as well. Now let's go down FMCG. Hey, energy में दो FMCG. Energy तो क्या करेंगे हम? Okay, so now let's see FMCG. See, FMCG we were not liking even last week, and this week also, see, it came till 60 and it is resisted 60 as well as upper band. And the best part is it has got a squeeze. तो अभी ये स्क्वीज ब्रेकअप कहाँ देगा ना, उस पे देखना है ये अपसाइड दे रहा है या डाउन साइड दे रहा है ना, उस पे द स्टॉक्स ऑफ एफएमसीजी विल फ्लाई. सी, दिस इज गॉट अ वेरी गुड स्क्वीज है, ये स्क्वीज है. स्मृति जी, आपका स्क्वीज इधर ही देख लो, ये स्क्वीज है. सी, दिस स्क्वीज कैन हैव अ ब्रेकआउट ऑन अपसाइड और डाउन साइड. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई थिंक आप बहुत टाइम से देखने का ट्राई कर रहे हो. मैं आपको इधर ही दिखा देता हूँ, ये देखो, यही स्क्वीज बोलते हैं हम इसको. Now, beyond squeeze, what will happen? No, we'll see that. Now, let's see. Weekly is also still at 20 MA resistance. Okay, and see, it was resisting 20 MA since so many times. Now, there is a bull sash here, by the way. Okay, कल जिसने ऑप्शन वाला ट्रेनिंग अटेंड किया था, वो एक चीज देख सकते हैं, वीकली बुल सैश है. See this. So this is a chance for even going long on FMCG sector now. Okay, so सी, दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस जहाँ पे वो क्रॉस नहीं कर पा रहा है, जो प्रीवियस वीक का हाई है ना, इसके ऊपर में अगर ये गया ना, देन यू विल सी द स्टॉक्स मूविंग हाई. सी, दिस इज आल्सो गुड रेजिस्टेंस जोन. ओके, ये पूरा ऊपर सपोर्ट में है, नीचे पूरा रेजिस्टेंस में. इसके ऊपर में कूदा तो ये वापस यहाँ तक आ जाएगा. सो देन एफएमजीसी सेक्टर विल आल्सो बी एडिंग अप. सो सी, अगर ये ब्रेकआउट और ये रियल help ho gaya, then I think yes, we are seeing a new high on Nifty pretty soon. By the way, bull sage always indicates for upside move. Yes, so bull sage is quite a bullish candle, and which is at support also. So at price support it was. See, if you look at this, it is at price support. So always मैंने बोला बुलिश कैंडल को एक ही जगह पे आप देख सकते हो. एक है सपोर्ट की जगह पे, दूसरा है ब्रेकिंग ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, राइट? एंड दिस इज एट सपोर्ट, सो इट रियली मेक्स सेंस. Right, so this is looking good to us. Now let me remove lines. ये थोड़ा देखो वापस. See, this says resisted. Now see, it has taken support out here in the between, and now it is going up again. So now we need to see what it will do here. Because यहाँ पे भी देखो मंथली भी उसने ट्वीजर बॉटम बना लिया है. So ट्वीजर बॉटम बनाने के बाद अगर ये और ऊपर में इसको लेके आता है, तो we might have to see what it does when it comes back to 60. तो 53 से 60 तक तो ये आ सकता है. तो उतने में निफ्टी को नया हाई मारने को ये इंडेक्स भी हेल्प कर देगा. Okay, so you might expect this to come till this level, which is a good almost 1400 points on this index, which is okay, right? It is looking good, but we now need to see what it does here. Main thing is ये भी daily पे क्या करेगा ना, वो देखने जरूरी है. Okay, and it is looking, see, exactly, it is a good resistance as well. So we need to see what it does. It is price as well as 60 resistance on daily. Okay, so daily at price 60 and upper band resistance. Okay, weekly bull sash at support, and monthly taking MA20 support. Okay, so we'll have to see, the longer terms are in favor. Daily basis we'll have to see what the charts of the stocks are also speaking. Let's go to the sector now. Pharma is first. Let's see pharma. See, pharma has got some movement from where we saw it last time, right? Daily was at 40, and from there it went till this. So we were in favor of bullishness, and see it was also at support I'd said, and see now it is come to again see tweezer बॉटम बना दिया है इधर बट नाउ हमको एक ही चीज देखनी है ये 60 के रेजिस्टेंस पे है सो एंड प्राइस रेजिस्टेंस भी है so whether it crosses now 60 and goes above again or does it fall back so now this week is going to be critical for this sector so yes bounced and see look at this and bola tha first 60 support see it is at first 60 support and this is what we need see this. So it's at price support and 60 support. So it's looking good. Weekly, just we need to see whether it clears 16 in this week. And at 20 ms support on daily as well and price support. Right? So pharma daily at MA 20 and price support. Bounce from 40. Weekly at 60 with tweezer bottom. See, tweezer bottom is also a good candle. Huh? It's a good sign for reversal actually. Okay. And monthly took 60 support. Okay. So this is what pharma is doing for us. अरे भाई सब लोग अगर मिले जाएंगे तो फिर नया हाई जिंदाबाद हो सकता है लेट्स सी खाली गूगली एक रिलायंस देने वाला है वो देखना पड़ेगा और वो भी कंफर्म करता है कि नहीं वो देखना है मेन तो उसके बाद पता नहीं क्या होगा ओके नाउ लेट्स सी इन ऑटो सेक्टर दिवाली स्पेशल दे दो जरा हाँ मैं देके क्या करूंगा मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है देखो हमारे पास दिवाली स्पेशल में ट्रेड मिलेगा जरूर बट वो बाइंग रहेगा या सेलिंग रहेगा वो नहीं मालूम so currently this is what it is see this is what it is look at this okay and this is resisting on upper band with a doji okay so that's why we had a short call on Maruti as well okay but we had to close all the calls last week because of the increase in volatility so we'll restart what we can do from today even top bottom levels will republish from today okay so this is see this is also coming up to this range okay यहाँ पे ये bullish harami है at support है 20 MA का weekly पे but see this is the range in which it has stayed for multi week okay this is one range so either we need a breakout on this now okay but mainly this is looking to me as a bearish setup than a bullish now the reason let me tell you why I'm looking into it is see the RSI has gone down and now it is on the range shift on the side of the bearishness okay so this looks little bit on bearish side more than on bullish side but let's see if it is able to break 80 to 50 on the upside which is also the monthly resistance then we might see it coming up till 8550 okay so then we might see even Maruti going above 7350 so 7350 is a very good resistance for Maruti as well so if this has to cross let's see whether it is able to do it or not. Yeah, we will do that. So, good, Arun. You have said this. By the way, next weekend when we'll be doing the analysis session, we will be also telling you to buy, Murat trading mein what you can buy. So next week we will be doing on Saturday itself, and yes, that is also the launch for Swaycharts giving you positional calls on equity segment, which is I know Saraf sir has been asking for it since long that why we are not doing it, but yes, we'll be launching that on Diwali, right? So that is what we'll be doing it. So currently I had been recommending few of the stocks which I'm investing personally. Okay. So if you have seen Tanla Solutions, you've seen Ramco System. After it was recommended, it went higher. And currently also there is one stock which we are looking into it, which is uh, Ashapuram Mines, right? So that is few stocks that we already have on our mindset, but we'll add more, okay, for equity. Yep, for Murat stock, we will be doing it. So next week, Saturday, we'll be doing this session rather than on Sunday. Okay, because Saturday afternoon, I think, or evening, there is going to be Murat trading. So we'll do it, and in Murat trading, then every one of us can buy it. या मल्टीबैगर वाला ही मैं बताऊंगा, टेंशन मत लो, ठीक है, उसमें ही मैं खुद इन्वेस्ट करूंगा. Okay, so this is what it is. So okay, this is still looking okay, but it needs to cross this. जब तक ये क्रॉस नहीं करता, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी बुलिश ऑन दिस सेक्टर, बिकॉज सी 3 महीने से उधर अटक के पड़ा है. 3 महीना उधर ही एक ही लेवल पे हाई मार के वापस आया है, राइट? सो नाउ वी नीड अ क्रॉस अबाउ इट, एंड इफ दैट क्रॉसेस देन यू माइट सी सिमिलर पैटर्न, ये वाला, ये फ्लैग पैटर्न फेल हो जाएगा और ये ऊपर में इधर तक आ जाएगा, इधर ऑल टाइम हाई तक वापस इसको भी लेके आएगा फिर ये. So this setup is there. It is right now in the flag mode. If the flag gets enabled, you get till all time high. Okay. So let's see if slow and steady market. See, I don't know. किसी ने एक बार डायलॉग मारा भी था. Okay, आदमी हो या निफ्टी हो, एक दिन ऊपर ही जाना है. Okay. तो ये सब निफ्टी को ऊपर ही लेके जाने का अभी साइन दिख रहा है अपने को. So let's see. Auto also daily at 60 resistance. Okay, 60 नहीं है, खाली अपर बैंड भी एक्चुअली, एंड अपर बैंड. Okay, now let's see weekly. It has bounced actually. Weekly पे तो थोड़ा बुलिश आराम ही है. Weekly at 60 resistance with bullish आराम ही. ये एक गुगली है. Okay, and monthly is neutral. Okay, because it's still under the same level. So जब तक 8300 के ऊपर में क्लोज नहीं आता है, I am not going to change my view to bullish. Okay, so this is what we have seen on the sectors. Okay, now let's see the stocks, and now I will show you the first googly. Okay, so let's see Reliance. Okay, Reliance weekly, monthly shows it did bounce from 60 support. When it came down till here, it was at 60. So this is a running candle which has bounced from 60. Okay, weekly is below 60, but look at the volume in this candle. Okay, it's a huge volume in this candle, and it's closed on the upside, but it is still at the gap resistance. Okay, so now note first point, weekly at gap resistance. Second point, daily 6 bar NRD setup. Look at this 6 bar NRD setup. Price is down, RSI is up, 2 white candles, and it's an NRD. Okay, but with NRD, it also has got some gap supports. So yes, there is a negative reverse divergence setup. We need confirmation. So now tomorrow we need to see if NRD confirms or not. But not below RSI 40. Yes, so only one of the, see, first leg is below 40. Saraf sir, one leg is below 40. So फर्स्ट कंडीशन का भी 50% इज मैचिंग, बाकी का 3 का तो सब कंडीशंस आर मैचिंग. देयर इज नो बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस इन बिटवीन, so no precedence divergence. Number of candle is less than 15. We have 6 candles only, and also the fourth condition, amplitude is less than 20. This is what, 36.97. This is 45. So no ka amplitude, only 9 is amplitude. So all conditions meet, right? So that is the reason I have book profit. I know you will be holding long only in Reliance, right? So you have to now see whether, wait for the confirmation. Okay, so tomorrow what happens is main, because if it goes down, see अभी इसका confirmation is ये trend line breakout. Okay, so if it goes and closes below 2000, then only you should think of NRD getting confirmed. Okay, so that is where you would be. Okay, so this is where it is. It's a good NRD setup now. Okay, and yesterday during the option training, when we were doing where to buy option and where to write options, during that time we saw Reliance and I was like, अरे बाप रे, ये बड़ा googly छोड़ के जा रहा है. Okay, and see other things that let me show you. Okay, ये weekly पे भी gap resistance पे है. Okay, and look at this. Okay, it's also at price resistance on daily. Okay, so it is actually having all the potentiality of confirming on NRD, but it's a market, let it confirm. Okay, no, meet, this is the option training we both were going to do, so we did that yesterday. Okay, so I'll touch base with you anyways later. Okay, so that is what it is. So now let's write on Reliance daily NRD सेटअप है. उसको सीधा शॉर्ट मत कर दो. 1800 के नीचे का टारगेट है. 1800 के आसपास का टारगेट आ जाएगा इसका. ओके, NRD सेटअप एट प्राइस रेजिस्टेंस confirms below 2000. Okay, confirms below 2000 weekly at gap resistance. Okay, and below 60 as well. Huh? Weekly is also below 60 by the way. Okay, just monthly took 60 support. Okay, but it is a running candle, so you cannot confirm much. So monthly took 60 support. So this is what it is. Okay, so it looks to be a good NRD setup on Reliance. Okay, let's go to the other stocks. Maruti. See, Maruti has got 60 resistance straight away. So Maruti shows some bearishness already. Okay, and ये अभी भी हम इसको आज भी bearish ही treat कर सकते हैं. Googly is Nifty is not showing anything, and Reliance, the main stock of Nifty, is having an NRD setup. That is the Googly. Okay, index is not showing anything, but if you look at index and look at the best stock of the index, there is a Googly. That is what I said. That is a Googly. Right now, see again Maruti, which is also one of the heavyweight. Okay, and see this. Okay, it is still having a trend line resistance, and it's not able to cross this. So unless it crosses above this, you might not see it also going up. So there is a good trend line which is it's been respecting, and see since long it's been resisting 60. Okay, so this is the time it has been resisting 60. Look at this. Okay, so it's remained range bound, it's not doing anything, resisting 60 since so many months now. Okay, so one thing is that. Yeah, I will share that. Yeah, I will be doing that today. Yes, Vishesh, we will have it. TB entries will have from today. Okay, see here also shooting star, pay shooting star. Okay, at resistance. So 7350, as I said, is a very good resistance, and it is not able to close this. So this is where it is, and see again a black candle out in this week as well. And also look at the RSI resisting 60, very clearly resisting 60. Daily, weekly resisting 60. Monthly, it is still sideways. Okay, so this makes it as a good short candidate this time again. So now see the Googly. This is again another one. Nifty का दो अच्छा stocks ऑलरेडी रिवर्सल दिखा रहा है. ओके, सो डेली and weekly at 60 resistance. Okay, and monthly neutral. Okay, short entry as per TP डाल देता हूँ मैं as per top bottom. Okay, so I will share top bottom later on. Okay, आज अभी करके भेज दूंगा मैं, तो आप सबको top bottom में you will get entry. We have to be very cautious. Yeah, this. So there is going to be some surprises now. Okay, because even Nifty is at gap resistance. वो ध्यान में रखो. Okay, we'll look at SRT and LNT. Okay, LNT Finance normally I am not much keen because it's a very small script and future में quantity बड़ा है. Okay, now let's see. We have started with auto sector. So we saw Maruti. Let's see Hero Moto. अपना one of the favorite stock. किधर पहुंचा अभी? There is some reversal out here now. 40 support on daily. Aha, reversal pattern even on weekly at support. That's a good bullish haramia pro gap wala. And monthly also trying to gear up. Okay. Okay, so we'll have a buy call on Hero Moto. So we had a short call, I think 4 weeks back, which went and gave us good money. Now Hero Moto Corp has got daily bullish में weekly और monthly है and daily है, it is at 40 support. Daily at 40 support. Weekly bullish and monthly is neutral क्योंकि मंथ अब तक खत्म नहीं है तो उस पे नहीं कर सकते हम. Weekly this. Okay, so buy at किधर गया मैं, किधर राइट किया, उधर और ही राइट कर दिया मैंने. अरे गाड़ी तो कर देता है. 3000 SLOD 2880. Okay, and target okay, so we will have the place from where we actually shorted 3250 हमारा short था, 3000 का target था और I think 3350 was our stop loss at that time. So now it is reversed. 3000 we buy for 3250 as target and 2880 would be our stop loss. So this is a positional call and you can look at this as well now. So Hero Moto Corp looks good. Let's see Bajaj Auto. Hamara Bajaj also has bounced from 40 support. So this was again last week also we saw that this is looking good. This stock to buy in cash, yeah, you can buy it in cash also. That is fine. You can buy it in cash or you can buy it in futures. Anything. Even this has got a similar pattern. So two wheelers में कुछ तो होने वाला है. Okay, so this has also got some similar thing. Okay, so you can have this. Okay, Tata Motors is already buy given since I think 90 rupees या 78 breakout on trend line on monthly Ganesh. So वो तो अभी तुम किधर भी जाओ चलेगा. We can do in options also. Yeah, you can do it in options, but understand option you'll have to buy in the money options or at the money currently because we are still on 8th of November. तो आपको at the money लेना पड़ेगा and wait for it. Okay, do not go for OTM. हाँ वो तो बड़ा बढ़ भी गया क्योंकि टाटा मोटर्स had already given us a breakout. So even Bajaj is looking good. Now let's see टाटा मोटर्स बोल रहे हो, मैं एक बार टाटा मोटर्स भी देख लेता हूँ. टाटा मोटर्स हम लोग का बाई किधर आया था ना, I'll show you that. Okay, see, this is where the buy was given. There was a clear bullish divergence on Tata Motors on monthly, and this was where it was given 94 के ऊपर buy था. And now if you are holding it, you can hold, continue to hold it because the first target of W has been met. Okay, so this has been met. This was the first target, 155. It has been met. After that, now the second target is going to be still there. Okay, so this is still बचा कुचा है इसमें. I think 233 या 240 का target आता है on the Tata Motors. So this was already a buy given. Okay, so ये already अपना buy था और अभी ये इधर target 2 इधर है उसका. अब इधर डाल दो इसको. This is what is target 2, 279, 280. So it is still there. Okay. So if you now want to buy about 155 or 280 as your target. This can be bought in equity only. Okay. So there is no recommendation to buy it on futures. Please do not buy these on futures. इसका क्वांटिटी बहुत बड़ा है फ्यूचर्स में. लॉस भी जाएगा तो बढ़ा जाएगा, तो ये सब मत करो. बट सी इट इज दैट 40 सपोर्ट ऑन मंथली. Bullish divergence confirmed. It gave first target. Okay, weekly is gone down right now. It is below 60. It is resisting 60 and daily is also at upper band and resisting 60. So let it cross above 155. Enter above 155 for a new high. Okay, so yeah, you can buy in cash. Cash का ही buy था. Cash का ही buy था सराफ सर. ये सब चीज मैं कभी भी, आपको भी पता है, मैं 500 वाला क्वांटिटी के छोड़ के कभी भी फ्यूचर्स में रिकमेंड नहीं करता हूँ. राइट. So now let's see. So Tata Motors we saw. Now let's see tire. अच्छा, Apollo tire. I know ये हम लोग, I will not recommend anyone to do this, but I just show you one setup. Apollo tires. Look at this. Okay. कौन बता पाएगा क्या सेटअप है? चलो P2 वाले सब बोलो अभी. Whoever is then P2, see this and see this. See this outside. See this inside. 0.1, 0.2.
है क्या सर?
M W नहीं उल्टा. राइट. इट्स अ परफेक्ट M सेटअप. टेक्स्ट बुक M है ये. टेक्स्ट बुक M. ओके. और इसका टारगेट 123 है, लेकिन क्वांटिटी देखा ना तो 5000 है. उसके बाद छोड़ दिया सोचना. राइट. इट्स अ टेक्स्ट बुक M सपोर्ट M सेटअप है ये. प्रॉपर टेक्स्ट बुक का M सेटअप है अपोलो टायर्स में. ओके. Perfect outside, inside. First target also can be made is this. Okay, so you might expect 143 now, and from 143 so second target is 123 सीधा, क्योंकि upper band से सीधा lower band लाता ही है. Okay, so this is what your targets are. So even Apollo tire looks good. So if you are holding something in cash, you should right now sell off if it falls below 150, because 150 के नीचे ये confirm करेगा bearish divergence on the closing basis. So अगर कल का close 150 के नीचे गया तो निकल जाओ चुपचाप, and then you can just see what you want to do. Okay, you can buy back again at 120, 123 levels. ये लेवल के आसपास में यहाँ पे आ जाएगा ये वापस. Okay, so this is what one of the tire companies also showing. Now let's see the king of it, MRF. MRF maybe there is no divergence. There is a divergence. Sorry, हाँ बोल रहा हूँ no divergence. See यहाँ पे भी there is divergence है. See this candle and see this candle. Outside inside भी है. So almost second company of tire is showing the same setup. Okay, and this is also around 60 and see it is resisting this. Okay, so this is also showing some resistance around. So even we have, we'll see later meet, because I'm not saying much on all these stocks right now. Okay, नहीं तो मेरा जो देखना है वो बाकी रह जाएगा. We are already towards 1 hour completion. Okay, and see, look at this also. See this. So it is at resistance, price resistance, सब कुछ. Okay, and from here this can be also some movement downside. Okay, so We do have, see, another monthly is coming towards 60 resistance. This is at just around 60 and resisting the trend line. And this again is a bearish divergence setup already there. Needs confirmation. Confirmation would be below 68,000. Okay, so 68,000 ke niche gaya, it confirms on bearish divergence. So there is too many short trades we are getting. So मैंने बोला ना googly है. Indices कुछ और दिखा रहा है, stocks कुछ और दिखा रहा है. Now you understand why I was saying it is a googly, right? Yeah, tech and we will see when we will go to IT. Don't worry, that we will see. Okay, and also LNT and SRT we will see. Don't worry. But so this is what auto sector is telling to us. Okay, so auto sector mein already we have said Hero Moto is buy for us and Maruti can be a short. Okay, now let's go to finance. So HDFC Bank, भाई साहब, ये भाई साहब कुछ अलग ही चल गए. Okay, see, this is where it bounced from. So 1180, I think it was where it was finding support every time. And though it was below 60, it bounced back above this gap also. And then it crossed this. Okay, and now it is at all-time high with uh, band walk on daily. So we have a band walk on daily. We have a band walk on weekly with no divergence, but we are at, look at this, all-time high resistance. Okay, so this is going to be crucial for any stock or any indices. Okay, because after a long time I'm coming here, so investors who invested here and who got trapped, okay, they would try to come out here. See here, the volume is very low on a breakout. Okay, so again we need to now see whether it continues the rally. If this continues the rally, yes, Bank Nifty continues the rally. Okay, so we now need to see this and see monthly is just approaching 60. So now we need to see if monthly crosses 60 or it resists 60. Okay, so this again we need to see because month is yet started and we still have entire month to go. So this again will be one of the testing of this particular stock in this week. So let's see how it goes from here. So HDFC Bank case, currently there is no sign of retracement. If you want to buy and hold it, 1250 is your stop loss. Okay, and you can hold it with 1250 as your thing because see this is the gap here and 1255 is this level. So you can hold it with 1250 as your stop loss. Okay, so uh, daily, weekly above 60, above 60 and band walk. Okay, monthly at all time high and just above 60. Okay, hold or buy with SL at 1250. Okay, now let's look at Axis Bank. The Axis Bank had got an NRD set up in last month. Okay, and it fails NRD right now by going above. So now the RSI of this, which was 43.85, which was actually lower than this 45 and the price was lower. Now the price is gone higher and 48 is the RSI. So it nullified right now, but still the candle is to be closed, monthly candle at, okay. So yet let's see what happens towards the month, but currently you can see NRD over here has been nullified. Okay, so Axis Bank has nullified this. Okay, it's a band walk at 60 resistance and C gap resistance. So now this is where Bank Nifty has also got resistance. Stocks also has got resistance. Okay, so this is now the key thing out here. And see over here also, this is a gap, by the way. See, iska close इधर है और ये gap down हुआ है. So you can see that we are at upper band. 1 minute, 69, 68, 68. Baba, look at this. Bearish divergence 4 bar. 69.03, 68.83. Price is higher. This close was 534. This is 542. Right? So we have a bearish divergence setup as well on Axis Bank daily. Okay. So that's why, yes, there is resistance around. Gap resistance on weekly, bearish divergence setup on daily. And that also add resistance of gap on daily as well. Okay, so this again goes for a short on axis as well. Okay, let's see कोटक जो बहुत भागा है, पूरा साल में नहीं भागा उतना, एक महीने में भागा भाई. Okay, you see this हैमर, और हैमर के बाद जो भागा है भाई रुका ही नहीं है. ओके, सो ये भी क्या है, इधर 78 है और ये 79 है. चलो, नो बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस. there is anything here? No, it is also near to the all-time high. Okay, so it's almost near to the all-time high. 1750 के ऊपर जाएगा all-time high. So this is looking good enough. Okay, so 27,100 तक ये पहुंचाएगा फिलहाल तो लग रहा है. Okay, so this has got nothing. So Kotak Bank is still looking good. There is no retracement yet, huh? No sign of it. Okay, so this is looking good. So this can be a buy rather than, so you can hold this. If you are holding it, hold it. Okay, and now let's see. ICICI क्या बोलता है? कुछ नहीं बोलता है, वो भी थोड़ा ऊपर में आ गया है. Band walk है, but see this is at the upper band of resistance. So this is also at gap resistance. See, it is at 60 resistance and gap resistance simultaneously. Okay, so that is where there can be some holding, and this is also at gap resistance, and also there is nothing. Okay, there is no bearishness here, but it is at resistance. See this gap resistance, इधर भी gap है, देख लो आप. Okay, इधर gap है, तो gap के resistance पे ये भाई साहब भी रुके हैं. Okay, so some retracement expected now in Bank Nifty. Okay, so we might get another good entry now for top bottom. Okay, so wait for it and we might get it. Okay, no, it's not confusing, it is very clear. Okay, you need to just know the charts and the rules of chart. Now SRT Trans Finance. Okay, SRT has started band walk actually, so nothing bad over here. Let's see. Okay, we have covered the gap, so now it can come up till 951 on daily. Here also gap has been closed, but at 60 resistance. ये भाई सब भी रेजिस्टेंस पे है. ओके, सो ये अगर 60 के ऊपर कूदा तो ये भी क्रूशियल है. इफ इट क्रॉसेस 60 then it can come till here, otherwise it will go down from here again. And monthly has bounced from 40 support, so it was not bad actually. In 630 650 से ही बाई था ये, because यहाँ के ऊपर बाई होना चाहिए था ये. It bounced from 40 support actually on monthly. It's looking good so far. Monthly पे कोई उसको टेंशन नहीं है. मंथली पे टेंशन है एक्चुअली, 850 के ऊपर ही टेंशन है. तो यहाँ पे उसको रेजिस्टेंस है थोड़ा बहुत, बट see mainly you need to wait for weekly to close above 60. That's it. Okay, that is what SRT Trans Finance is also showing to us. Okay, now let's go to DRR. Yeah, it appears some bearishness overall, so that's why I said that index में किधर भी bearishness नहीं है, but stock सब दिखा रहा है. That is the googly actually, and it is mainly index building हुआ है. खाली न्यू हाई तक जाना है, बस ये किसी ने बोल दिया है. फिर क्या करना है मालूम नहीं, तो पता नहीं क्या करेगा इंडेक्स भी. Okay, because stocks are not going to support, and key stocks we are seeing and they are not in support, right? So now let's see DRR, my favorite of my pharma. ये वीकली ये भी टाइम पास कर रहा है, 60 सपोर्ट पे डोजी बना के बैठा है भाई. ये कब जाएगा, कब जागेगी आत्मा, कब लागेगा रंग. ये इधर है सपोर्ट ही सपोर्ट और ब्रेकआउट. ओके, so this is chance for now to take a leap again. Okay, so this is looking good on weekly. This is okay, bouncing. See, it is bouncing from 40, but वो clear bounce नहीं दे रहा है. Okay, और अपना buy call जो था वो अब तक हुआ ही नहीं क्योंकि 545 के ऊपर बाय था, 5045 की इस लाइन के ऊपर मैंने बाय बोला था, उसके ऊपर ही नहीं गया अब तक. सो स्टिल वी कैन हैव द सेम कॉल ऑफ लास्ट वीक. ओके, एंड इज फाइंडिंग सपोर्ट एवरीवेयर. ओनली थिंग इज वीकली थोड़ा डेली नीचे है, बट आई थिंक इट इज लुकिंग गुड. सो डेली अराउंड 40 and above 60. Okay, बाय. अभी मैं आपको इसका परफेक्ट देता हूँ. 5012, 4834 is 0. This would be a good buy. Okay, so even cash is fine. Anyone holding in cash can hold it now with this as stop loss. Okay, so DRR is looking good. My dear Sipra, my dear Sipra, see Sipra, we had, yes. See, this is what now I'll expect in DRR. See this Doji at 60 and now see this. Yeah, so this is what we are expecting. So farm जा सकता है अभी भी ऊपर. लुकिंग गुड. आहा, 60 रेजिस्टेंस. सो ये देखना जरूरी है कि ये लेवल पे क्या करता है, बिकॉज ये 800 का आंकड़ा ना इसको थोड़ा भारी पड़ रहा है. ओके, 800 के ऊपर गया तो अपने को अच्छा है. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग गुड. ओके, सो नो वरीज आउट हियर एट ऑल. ओके, so this is also okay to us and it is bouncing from support. See 750 का अच्छा support है उसको. All time previous all time high is supporting. Okay, so this is looking good. So Cipla is also looking good. Okay, पा औरो क्या बोलता है. Oh, Oro is at 60 resistance, so forget Oro. Okay, forget Oro. अगर पोर्टफोलियो में है तो फिलहाल एक बार बेच दो, बाद में खरीद लेना. ओके, अब निकल जाओ अभी के लिए. डीवीज क्या बोलता है. डीवीज, ओहो, डीवीज also at 60 resistance, but see this is bouncing from 60 and gap, so this is looking good. हाँ, this is also looking good. सी मंथ कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ ना, बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस मत बोल देना इसको. 84 और ये 83 है. मंथ को कंप्लीट होने दो. ओके, बाद में हम देखेंगे. मंथ कंप्लीट होते होते बहुत टाइम है. उसके ऊपर में 84 के ऊपर आराम से जा सकता है. 85 आराम से कर सकता है. ये कितना है अभी, डेढ़ डेढ़ RSI का जरूरत है उसको. इधर तक आ गया तो हो जाएगा वो 85 के ऊपर. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग गुड. सो मेनली आई एम सेइंग फार्मा इज लुकिंग बुलिश एक्चुअली. Seven mother stock. Bajaj Finance will see. Yeah, okay. Doji at 60. Yeah, so we need to see Doji at 60 resistance है. Okay. So we'll have to see what it does tomorrow. Yeah. So tomorrow, if it goes above Doji, then it crosses the band walk also, and it might give you this target of 3480 also. 34.8. Okay. सो फार्मा वीडर आई थिंक फाइनेंस हम लोग ने कर चुके हैं. सो एक अभी लास्ट मोमेंट है बजाज फाइनेंस. आई जस्ट सी दैट. सी बजाज फाइनेंस इज डूइंग बैंड वॉक, बट सी इट इज एट रेजिस्टेंस. ये गैप रेजिस्टेंस है उसको 38. इसके लिए इसके ऊपर नहीं जा रहा था. आई थिंक मैंने किसी को बोला भी, आई थिंक गुप्ते सर को बोला या किसी को तो बोला कि बुक प्रॉफिट्स बिकॉज वी आर एट गैप रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, इवन वीकली इज एट 60 रेजिस्टेंस एंड एट गैप. सी, so that's why I told someone to book profits. I think Gupte sir नहीं पूछा था मुझे. Okay, so this is where I told him to book profits because I know I am looking at resistance 60 upper band and gap तीनों मिलके है इधर. So this can be a good short trade actually. हाँ, धर्मानी सर आपको बोला. हाँ, वही आपका ग्रुप से वो केदार सर है, आप हो और गुप्ते सर हो ना. मैं आप तीनों को एक ही गिनता हूँ. आप तीन ना वो एकदम तीन त्रिमूर्ति हो हमारे. एंड सी दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई मैंने आपको बोला, आपने शायद बुक किया ना प्रॉफिट, एक्चुअली कर दिया ना, because you are getting around 250 300 points, so it makes sense to book because we are at resistance. देखो ये देख के मैंने आपको तुरंत बोला था बुक कर दो आप, और मैंने आपको बोला भी कि अगर रेजिस्टेंस क्रॉस करता है तो बाय कर लेना वापस। भाई रेजिस्टेंस का क्रॉस इज अबाउट दिस, तो इसके ऊपर में अगर जाएगा तो वापस इधर देखो अभी खतरा है उसको, तो ये अभी थोड़ा रुक रुक के जाएगी ये गाड़ी, तो अभी गाड़ी चेंज कर दो सर, थोड़े टाइम के लिए दूसरा गाड़ी पकड़ लो। ओके, सो बजाज फाइनेंस ऑल्सो वी सॉ, नाउ लेट्स सी कहाँ क्या बाकी है। अरे दो पूरा सेक्टर बाकी है, मैं क्या टाइम पास कर रहा हूँ। ओके लेट्स गो टू एशियन पेंट्स एंड लेट्स गो टू FMCG sector फटाफट। See this is got bearish divergence, okay, see outside inside with a shooting star and bearish harami confirmation, short below 2200, okay, and you might see for a target of 2130। ओके सो दिस ऑल्सो अगेन मैं बरसों से शॉट दे रहा हूँ लेकिन ये चल नहीं रहा है, ये ऊपर था ऊपर भागते जा रहा है, लेकिन ये देखो कितना बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस, दिस इज सीरीज ऑफ बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस, लुक एट दिस। ओके लुक एट द प्राइस एंड लुक एट द RSI, ये जब भी गिरेगा ना बहुत बड़ा गिरेगा। ओके एंड आई कैन शो यू दिस विल हैपन। This is what I'm looking at, and I know Amar sir, you are looking for more of short trades. This really looks good for us. ओके ये मेरे को भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अभी, क्योंकि आई शो यू वन द रीजन व्हाई आई एम लुकिंग एट दिस एज अ वेरी शॉर्ट, सी दिस इज शोइंग टायर्डनेस इन RSI। ओके इट इज नॉट एबल टू क्रॉस दिस लेवल एट ऑल, प्रीवियस लेवल के ऊपर भी नहीं जा रहा है, इट इज जस्ट मेकिंग अ न्यू हाई एट अ लोअर RSIs। ओके सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग एट, यू नो, some repairing work here is now needed, so this will give you a short call as well। wait, let me also see weekly क्या किया इसने। weekly there is no bearishness, so वही main problem है इसका, इसके लिए ये ऊपर ऊपर भाग रहा है, और मंथली भी कुछ नहीं है उसको bearish। देखो हायर टाइम फ्रेम में जरा भी bearish नहीं है ये बंदा, बट डेली पे थक चुका है ये। सी हायर टाइम फ्रेम इट हैज गॉट हायर RSI, इधर 74 है, इधर 74 है, इधर 75 है, क्या कर क्या रहा है ये अच्छी में। but there can be some short term repairing here now because it's resisting this, so बहुत छोटू टाइम ये स्टॉप लॉस है, 2250 का स्टॉप लॉस है, एंड यू कैन शॉर्ट एट मे बी, यू नो, below this which is 2208, so लो के नीचे शॉर्ट करो, हाई का स्टॉप लॉस रखो, and you might get it till this or maybe till this 2135 is the target on Asian Paint actually। फिर let's see Hind Unilever, Hind Unilever is doing time pass at 20 EMA तक जाके वापस गिर जाता है, so again a doji at support, so this is also looking okay on weekly। See again daily resisting 20 EMA and falling back, and monthly it is, see it has already got a first bearish range shift। okay so fall has to be there, इसके नीचे में it will start falling below 2066। if this month closes we will have a good fall even in this stock, but उसको 20 EMA का अच्छा सपोर्ट है, तो 2000 के नीचे जाना इसके लिए थोड़ा difficult है, so let's see whether it goes below 2000। Hind Unilever is also one of a good stock। okay so let's write down for HUL, MA20 weekly doji at support, monthly 60। main thing is after a long time, okay so this now makes sense that this sector, this particular stock is gone for some retracement, it is due for some retracement because see multi-year breakdown on 60, yeah, see it has gone above 60 in 2017, okay, and now this year last month it goes below 60। ओके सो ये पूरा जो इधर का मूवमेंट है 900 से लेके 2500-2600 तक का मूवमेंट के बाद अभी तक जाके रिट्रेस हो सकता है. एंड इफ यू लुक एट दिस एंटायर थिंग, ओके, it is now see between 25 and 38, so this is where it can come down to. Okay, this is the retracement level, healthy retracement, after which this will restart. But currently I am not thinking it to cross 25% and stay above it. Okay, अगर उसके ऊपर गया तो वापस 2600 चला जाएगा. But we need this to be closed on closing basis on the month. So let's see ये month कैसे जाता है इसका. Okay, so this level के ऊपर अगर आया तो वापस it will go up, otherwise it will come back to 1900 onwards. Yeah, lower RSIs actually. So this is for the first time it has shown this. See, 4th of April. So I think 2017 April से वो 60 के ऊपर है. It's almost 4 years, successful 4 years in which it has more than doubled itself, and now it is retracing. So it's not bad actually. Okay, it's healthy for any stock to do that. Okay, and Asian Paint also we saw it is still looking daily. There is divergence at top and resistance at upper band. Okay, but weekly and monthly looks bullish. So ये भी एक googly है. So we'll have to see Asian Paint what it does on daily. Okay, so short is below 2208. Okay, so let me just put that also. Short below 2208, SL 2250, and target can be 2135. Okay, so this is what Asian Paint is all about. Now let's see. I think Dabur, Dabur with 60 resistance, 60 resistance, and just around 60, but still at resistance of price. ओके, ये 525 के ऊपर नहीं जा पा रहा है बहुत टाइम से. अगर आप देखोगे ना तो 500-525 के बीच में खेल रहा है ये स्टॉक. ओके, सो ब्रेकआउट इज नीडेड इन डाबर एज वेल, बट इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग. ओके, अनदर एफएमसीजी वुड बी अपना पिज्जा हट. कौन सा है? पिज्जा हट नहीं, डोमिनोज वाला कौन है? मैं शायद फिर से भूल जाता हूँ उसको. डोमिनोज वाला कौन है, कोई बताएगा फटक से? डोमिनोज, डोमिनोज कौन है वो पिज्जा हट वाला? हाँ, जुबलेंट, जुबलेंट, जुबलेंट. यस यस यस, मैं भूल जाता हूँ, खाता नहीं हूँ मैं जुबलेंट में, इसके लिए भूल जाता हूँ. अच्छा, कोलपाल भी देख ही लेते हैं, इधर आया ही है तो. सी मंथली इज अराउंड 60 and trying to cross this resistance. Kolpal, okay. Oh, this is good. See, hammer at 60 support. Okay, so Kolpal is looking good. We might get it back to some highs, so this is okay. But daily is at 60 resistance, so we need to see whether daily crosses it or not. So daily is at 60, so this is also looking one of the stock. And Jubilant, Jubilee Food also. पिज्जा हट देखो, पिज्जा बेच बेच के हम सबको मोटा बना बना के पैसा कमा रहा है. और ब्रेकआउट ऐसी ट्रेंड लाइन का, ऐसी ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट, डोजी है ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट. सो इट्स लुकिंग गुड स्टॉक बाय द वे. इट्स लुकिंग गुड ऑन ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट. 60 support. Oh, see this. So it was a doji at 60 and it has now taken support. So it was a good trade actually last week as well, as with the trend line breakout it has confirmed that. So this also looks good. So this can retest again the highs. Okay, so Jubilant Food is also looking good. So it can be in a buy list actually, Jubilant Food. Right, so Jubilant Food is looking good, yes. So it's okay, it's looking good. Okay, so I think we have completed all the sectors, I think. Hey, IT बाकी है, अरे बाप रे फटाफट. TCS, okay. TCS daily at 60 resistance and at 20 MA around. Weekly it has bounced from 60. Okay, so looks good. And अरे ये तो अच्छे दिख रहा है यार. So now it is looking good. So it can be a buy about 27 के ऊपर टिकने दो उसको. 60 क्रॉस करेगा डेली बेसिस पे, then you can buy this. Okay, so daily at 60 resistance. weekly and monthly bullish. Bullish and band walk भी है monthly तो यार क्या चाहिए आप? Okay, buy if daily closes above 60. Okay, so this can be now gone into buy. Let's see, Infi is above 60. See, daily है good boy है. ये बच्चे confuse नहीं करता है. Okay, so Infosys is also looking good and can come back up to this level. ये रिजल्ट डे का हाई है उसके बाद नीचे गया बट लुक एट दिस मंथली बैंड वॉक इट्स लुकिंग गुड ऑल टाइम फ्रेम्स अबाउट 60 सो डायमंड गोल्डन सेक्टर का गोल्डन स्टॉक है इन्फोसिस and tech Mahindra, I think Sandeep was asking, so let's see that. So it has got just above 60 and let's see if it continues. We can see 870, 882 as the levels. This is also looking good. See 60 से बहुत कुछ bounce हुआ है and it is now above this level. So it is around this resistance. Okay, if this crosses above 850 and similarly I said कि इसका भी अगर ये 859 के ऊपर जाएगा तो अच्छा है तो वही वो वीकली भी रेजिस्टेंस क्लियर कर लेता है क्योंकि ये इसका लो इसका हाई क्या अच्छा ओके सो शूटिंग स्टार का हाई के ऊपर जाना चाहिए हाँ टेक महिंद्रा ही है ये संदीप दिस इज टेक महिंद्रा ओनली राइट एंड this is also around this. So I think it is looking okay to us. Let's see whether it is able to cross this resistance. So ये 850 के ऊपर अगर consistently टिक पाया, then you might see a new high in this. Because 850 is the resistance level. See this. So ये उसके ऊपर में टिक पाया तो it will be a good buy there. Okay, then you can hold it for good returns. Okay, all right. Any other stocks, any other thing that we want to see? So yeah, next week we'll do it on Saturday in the morning and maybe Murat trading. Let's see if we all want to trade together. Also, we can see that. Okay, not sure what is my plan because I don't know what will be the schedule from my ashram as well. So I'll wait for a TTML. Amar sir, बैठ जाओ अभी लेके क्योंकि TTML ऐसे ही है अभी. See, there is nothing that it is stopping, right? TTML. So TTML is gone in such a way that now you can't do anything on that. So Tata Teleservices seat is just going into circuits and now see it is gone down circuit. So this is where 94 ka RSI पहुंच के lower circuit see this is what it is done. Right? So it reached highest RSI and then see from there it is going down. So ये जो circuit से ऊपर जाता है ना वो वैसे ही नीचे correct होता है. So I normally avoid such stocks, okay, because you don't know. And see, this is again monthly pay. It is a multi-bagger. Okay, so if you look at this stock on monthly, after so many months, it has got a break over above 60. ये multi-bagger का मेरा जादू है. यही मेरा system है और यही मैं देखता हूँ. ज़्यादा मैं कुछ देखता नहीं हूँ. Okay, I would buy this actually above 14 and I'll hold it. But I'll not do anything right now because see right now it is or you want to hold you can hold with 5 rupees as your stop loss. Okay, so currently also if you want to hold you hold with this as your stop loss. Simple. Okay, because this is still a smaller breakout on this multi-year breakout on RSI. So you can hold this. There is nothing wrong. Multi-bagger is which moves like this. Let me show you. This is my multi-bagger. This is called multi-bagger. I bought something at 68. Today it is 348. And within few months, see this. This is called multi-bagger. Look at this. RSI breakout above 60 after many years. So I had my first initial entry at this. That's why 68. Okay. And then I bought back when it fall around here. So I averaged it out and I'm still holding it. This is multi-bagger. Getting it? Cup. Mainly cup patterns. Okay. Okay. So thank you everyone and wish you all पहले से ही एक happy Diwali and let's see how to identify Gautam. It is P2 ka RSI search. That's it. You just need to see that. Okay. So in advance, happy Diwali and happy New Year to each and every one of you, right? So let's see again on next Saturday. Probably we'll do it. Okay.